Today I have a wonderful surprise. The new Make magazine is here. This is volume 71, December, January, and it has just arrived at my doorstep. I want to give you a sneak peek of what's in this issue. Now this may come as a little bit of a surprise. Even though I'm senior editor for Make magazine, I don't necessarily see every single article in completion until the magazine arrives at my door. I talk with my coworkers about it, but unless I directly write it or help edit it, I wait till the issue actually arrives at my door. So the articles that Mike or Keith or Craig or Julianne work on, I typically don't see till they get here. So I get just as excited as everyone else for my Make magazine to arrive. I'm going to give you a little preview of some of the cool stuff in this issue. People who are subscribed should be getting this pretty much now. And if you don't subscribe, you should be able to get this issue on newsstands this month. It should be out soon. Let's jump in and check out some of the cool articles in here. So let me run you through some of the stories that are in this latest issue and give you some previews and maybe even some little video clips to augment these stories. Now, our main cover issue, Fix the Planet, this is a big push for us this year. We recognize that there are some huge problems right now and makers can help address that. And to help us with that, we have Dr. Saul Griffith has begun writing a series for us on how to electrify everything. The next piece will be on another aspect of things people can do to improve the world. He's backing this all up with, actual data and information. You'll have to read the article to get all the details. I'm really excited about a series that I've been getting to participate in, and that is Profiles of YouTuber Celebrity Makers. This month we got to do Jimmy DiResta. You'll have to check it out to see Jimmy's story. Another project that simply blew my mind is this little dancing robot that Mike Sinise saw at a maker fair. He took a little video of this thing. I'll embed the video so you can see it actually moving. We've got the article here in the magazine. You can see it, you can see the story of how it was built, see a little bit of a breakdown of how it was constructed and what went into it, but you really have to see this thing moving to get the full effect of just how wild this little thing is. Just incredible. As for projects, of course, Make magazine is full of projects that you can recreate. I think that that's one of the most important aspects of Make magazine. I believe we have 21 projects or more in this issue. One of the projects that's super cool is this Trebuchet. The pictures don't do it justice. It doesn't even look like a Trebuchet, no Trebuchet I've ever seen. But if you watch this video and see how it moves, it starts to make sense. This crazy flipping motion launches objects incredibly far, and of course, there are full detailed instructions on how you can make your own in the magazine. Speaking of things being launched through the air, another project that we have in here that's pretty inspiring is the world record holder paper airplane. We show you how to fold it and how to throw it. There's so much more in this issue. I'm not going to go through each and every story individually. Those are just a few highlights that I thought were incredible. We have recipes on how to eat your own bugs, some really cool LED lit hearts that are kind of rainbow colored. I mean, so many cool things. Be sure to check it out. If you're a member at make.co, you can get the digital edition right now. If you're already a subscriber, you should be getting it soon if you haven't already. And again, it should be on the newsstands this month. Thanks for sticking with me through that. I hope you run out and get a copy. This is a fantastic issue, and I think it's a sign of good things to come for Make. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, click the little notification bell so you can get an email whenever we put out any new videos. We'll see you next time.